So what's the take on Nvidia? Nvidia is trading just below at $123. So that was like just around like the earnings. Before earnings, right before the earnings, Nvidia was kind of trading really good. But again, when the earnings were released, I mean, just before the earnings were released, Nvidia was already down 4%. When earnings happened, of course, but earnings came really nice. So nothing to worry about, nothing to really complain. But I got one take on that, why Nvidia is really going down. But I will explain in detail. Just follow the entire video so you'll have the details. The first thing first, Nvidia reported earnings, beautiful and amazing. Okay. And after the earnings were released, again, the stock went down 4%, and that total around like 8% of drop in Nvidia stock. But it went down like way below than $115. Was that good or bad? That was a very good dip buy actually. If some of you guys didn't know where to buy and where to sell, that was a very good point to buy the stock because you bought a stock in a very cheap price. But let's move on with the earnings and why Nvidia is really going down. And now, in the regular sessions, of course, Nvidia just bounced back up, same to the levels of $120 and just trading right shy around $120. But one thing, investors, I mean the large whales, they were watching something on Nvidia, and that was absolutely only one thing. All the time Nvidia, when they release earnings in the past history, so they were releasing with the with a very positive guidance, plus to 200 to 300%, or in the revenue growth 200 to 300%. But now something kind of a little bit something different happened. Now they gave guidance only 70 to 85% probably the growth will be. So well, guys, you have to know this one thing. They overreacted here, and the investors really didn't like this news. Wow, only 70 to 85%? That's not really a lot, because Nvidia was really shocking in the entire stock market with 200 to 300% every single time. But now, this time is only 70 to 80%. That was not really good for them. But overall, this company is reporting earnings much better than any company in the stock market. Guys, of course, you gotta get used to, of course, all the times the number will not be 200 to 300% or 500% or 1000%. No, it's all about if they're beating earnings and the guidance are really absolutely amazing, and they are releasing their guidance, and even they're beating their guidance and the next earnings. That's the whole take here. But of course, when the big whales they overreact, the stock really pulls down. Guys, for me, honestly, this stock, even now, it's a very solid buy. This is a very cheap price that I'm gonna get on Nvidia. You're never gonna get this kind of cheap price on Nvidia again anymore. Trust me, and follow this video and listen to this video again so that you might buy Nvidia's positions again more and more and more. You can join in our group. The link is down in the description. Just a small reminder, we are starting at $1,000 account growth. We are growing to $100,000. You can come, you can join, and you can grow your only $1,000 to $100,000. And all the trades I will be giving you, when to buy, when to sell, or when to short, when to cover, and penny stocks, large stocks, all kind of stocks, and everything will be guided by me. And of course, I'm having a decade of experience. And if you go back to my previous videos, you will see that, of course, how I make really the profit. In the end of the video, you will see how I make the profits, and you can really come and join and really enjoy. We have day trade, swing trade, and even the long term. You can really do this. So, getting back to Nvidia is absolutely a positive buy for me. Probably if the stock dips down more, I'm going to add more shares. Dips down more, I'm going to add more shares. I'm not going to really regret, oh, I'm really piling up Nvidia in my portfolio. No, that's a very big plus point, because for the long term, this stock is an absolute, a big missile in your portfolio. That's a big bomb in your portfolio. So that means when it really explodes the stocks, believe me, you will have a ton of money in your portfolio on a very positive side. Guys, on the other hand, of course, the entire stock market on the next day, it was absolutely green, but Nvidia was trading red. What's wrong with that? Of course, I told you the investors really overreacted because they didn't want to pump money. And on one basis, you can also really take in consideration that Nvidia was just sitting right above $3 trillion market cap. For the company really to add $300 to $400 billion of market cap, the investors also, they were really thinking, would it be really fair for us to add $300 to $400 billion in Nvidia's market cap? This was after the earnings. So they didn't think that was really fit for Nvidia, so they didn't add $300 to $400 billion in that massive, beautiful earnings, whatever just came out. So because this company grew very fast compared to Microsoft, Apple, or Amazon, or Google, but you gotta think that at any given time, this stock will explode. But at that point, believe me guys, Nvidia will add easily $500 billion in market cap very easily, but they will add in chunks like $50 billion, $100 billion, $80 billion, $50 billion. So they will add in pieces here. So in overall 2 weeks, probably it might be sitting around plus $500 billion. But this is a chance. Get an Nvidia. Don't lose the chance. And buy many as possible, guys, because this is a very amazing dip. You will never get this dip. Trust me, because Nvidia has nothing to lose. It's not losing a single, I don't know, it's not losing a competition, because this stock, this company is just winning every single day in the market, not in the stock market, in the market out there, by selling their chips, by having the sales, revenues, everything. So if you really like this video, guys, hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and you can join the group. The link is down in the description, and we make profit every single day, and we are growing $1,000 to $100,000, and you can come and join. The group fees is just less than $1 a day, which counts like less than $25 a month. You can lock up the price. There are only few 5 or 6 seats available. You can come, lock up your seats, and believe me, you will gonna love it. The price will go higher. You will gonna love it. You don't have to give from your profits, no nothing. Just make the $1,000 to $100,000 and enjoy that journey, guys. Grow your accounts. Learn how to grow your accounts, and I will be giving you entire trades. Learn with that, and trust me, you will gonna love the process. So already the members, almost all the group members, they are trading and they are enjoying. So you can come and you can enjoy also and grow your money, guys. And so when you make this money, of course, you will add into other stocks and you'll buy more stocks. So do that. So everything will be guided. It's not a financial advice. It's only for educational purpose, only for you to motivate how to grow $1,000 to $100,000. And after we reach $100,000, the next target, we are going to $500,000. And from there, we'll take that count to $1 million. It's a process. If you want to join in that process, join, and believe me, you will gonna love that process. Guys, thank you so much. Probably see you in the next video. Enjoy your weekend and enjoy the Nvidia buy, guys. It's an amazing dip. Bye-bye.